Astronaut cadets briefed more than 100 space professionals, Department of Defense customers, and Air Force Space Operations leadership at the 8 December FalconSat and Falcon Launch Program's Capstone Review. This program of learning space by doing space is the Academy's Space Systems Research Center cornerstone for unique real-world programs. The small space museum in the FalconSat Ground Operations Center preserves not only the evolution of the Academy's FalconSat and Falcon launch programs, but also houses other Air Force space artifacts, such as a scale model of a defense satellite communication system. Cadet First Class Josh Stroud monitors the paths of both the FalconSat 3 and the recently launched FalconSat 5 from the Cutting Edge Ground Operations Center housed at the Air Force Academy. Cadet First Class Stroud monitors the orbital paths of the FalconSat program's 2 operational satellites. The Falcon Ops Center is a cutting-edge ground operations facility which recently added 2 large antennas and enclosed radomes to help retrieve data from the multi-million-dollar FalconSat 5 satellite. The Aeronautics Research Center, one of the oldest aeronautics programs in the world, recently added a deep wave tunnel. The tunnel supports the research of Dr. Stephen Siegel, one of the world's foremost experts in wave energy research. The wave tunnel simulates the energy of deep ocean waves. Dr. Siegel is able to use high-performance computational fluid dynamics and modeling to research the potential energy of waves for renewable energy applications with his unique, patent-pending cycloidal wave energy converter. The Academy has several intergovernmental agreements with allied nations, including Germany and France. The Engineering and Science Exchange Program allows visiting engineers and scientists like German engineer Markus Romer to work with and conduct research at the Air Force Academy for extended periods of time. Dr. Stephen Siegel explains his unique cycloidal wave energy conversion research. Dr. Siegel's work has been funded by the National Science Foundation and has successfully begun extracting energy from simulated waves. The potential energy applications for near-sea Air Force and Department of Defense installations worldwide could be enormous. Dr. Siegel and German exchange engineer Markus Romer prepare to demonstrate the cycloidal wave energy converter. German exchange engineer Markus Romer prepares the cycloidal wave energy converter. In addition to housing research centers such as the Space Systems Research Center and the Aeronautics Research Center, the Air Force Academy houses a total of 14 research centers and 2 Air Force institutes. These centers are the heart of the Air Force Academy's $60 million per year science and technology research program. Dr. Siegel and Mr. Romer confer on the preparation of the cycloidal wave energy converter prior to a live demonstration. Dr. John Wilkes explains his patented hydrogen storage unit. Dr. Wilkes, who also serves as the director of the Chemistry Research Center, has invented a unique way to harness, store, and safely utilize hydrogen as an energy source. His method, similar to a battery, could revolutionize how troops on the ground get the energy they need to fuel mission-essential devices such as global positioning systems, communications, and computers. Dr. Wilkes is also known as the father of ionic liquids, which have proven to have hundreds of applications ranging from toxic chemical neutralization to solar thermal fluid to a less toxic embalming fluid. Dr. Wilkes' lightweight hydrogen storage technology was recognized as one of the DoD's hot technologies in 2009. Biochemist Dr. Mike Wilcox has worked on a wide variety of successful projects with cadets and local technology businesses. He has been developing technology to mimic the fly's eye as a potential sensor application for unmanned aerial and remotely piloted aircraft. In addition to his work with the fly's eye, Dr. Wilcox has also worked with former cadet, now Second Lieutenant Ryan Mudry, on the development of a revolutionary glaucoma implant device that greatly reduces the surgical time for glaucoma patients and is currently being tested by the Food and Drug Administration. Dr. Wilcox has also partnered with Dr. Wilkes on the development of an ionic liquid that can cheaply and safely remove and neutralize methamphetamine contamination from walls. This application has successfully been demonstrated as a method to neutralize other chemical agents such as anthrax and mustard gas.